Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Unlock English Success. So we were working on unit number 5, women empowerment through entrepreneurship, and this chapter is taken from new English book of grade 9, which is just published by Punjab Curriculum Textbook Board in year 2025. And all the students who are right now in pre-9 and or the students which are in grade 9 and they have to appear in 2026 exams, they will be studying and reading this book. So if you have watched my previous videos, you have already know that we are working on all the chapters by making videos of translation into Urdu and then question answers and all the exercise. And in my next videos, I will also be sharing the summaries of each and every chapter and paraphrasing means simple English of all these chapters. But my main aim is to just provide you help. Okay. So in this video, we will be doing the question answers. And luckily, we don't have so many questions in the text because in previous few chapters, there are so many questions. Like, I guess the unit number 3 daffodils is having almost 30 questions. So let's see how many questions are in this chapter. So on page number 58, no question. Then yes, there is question is on page number 59. That is, what role are women entrepreneurs playing in modern day Pakistan? So the answer is within this paragraph. In modern day Pakistan, women entrepreneurs are playing an increasingly important role in various sectors of the economy. From bustling urban centers like Karachi and Lahore to smaller towns and rural areas, women are making strides in fields such as fashion, technology, food, education, and crafts. So we will simplify this question in this way. Let me show you so that if you want to note it down somewhere, so you can easily write it down. In modern day Pakistan, women entrepreneurs are playing a significant role in various industries such as fashion, technology, food, education, and crafts. Okay. So this was the question number 1 from the text, and let's see if there is any other question in the text. No, there is no other question. So let's move to the exercise of this chapter. The text of this chapter is quite long. Okay, so here comes the exercise. So here are the questions: reading and critical thinking. Okay. So the very first question is, what qualities made Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha a successful entrepreneur in a male dominated society, and how can these qualities be applied by modern women entrepreneurs? So the answer will be, Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was a successful entrepreneur in a male dominated society due to her qualities of wisdom, integrity, hard work, intelligence, and strategic thinking. Okay, so these were some quality traits of Hazrat Khadija. That's why she was still in those ancient times and in male dominated society, she was a successful entrepreneur. She carefully managed and expanded her trading ventures across different regions, earning respect for her leadership and fairness. And then they are asking the other half part of the question: how can these qualities be applied by modern women entrepreneurs? Okay, so this is the answer of first part of the question, and let's do the answer of this part. Modern women entrepreneurs can apply these qualities by focusing on integrity, making smart decisions, working hard, and using strategic planning to overcome challenges and achieve success in their businesses. Done. Okay, let's move to question number 2. How does the growth of women-led businesses in Pakistan contribute to economic development and job creation, especially in rural areas? So we have to tell that how women are helping in making progress of the country, especially in the rural areas or the villages. So the answer is women-led businesses create jobs, boost incomes, and improve productivity, especially by employing local people, including women and youth, in rural areas. Okay, so when women are working in rural areas, so they used to employ the youth and other women. So in this way, they create jobs and they boost income and improve productivity. Okay, let's move to question number 3. Why is mentorship and networking critical for the success of women entrepreneurs, and how do support systems like women's chambers of commerce enhance their growth? The answer of question number 3 is mentorship and networking help women learn skills, gain confidence, and connect with opportunities. Women's chambers of commerce provide platforms to network and showcase their products. Question number 4. What role does e-commerce play in overcoming mobility and societal barriers for women entrepreneurs in Pakistan? So how e-commerce is helping women? So the fourth answer is e-commerce allows women to run businesses from home, reducing mobility challenges and societal restrictions while reaching wider markets. If you have remembered the text, we know that female or women living in Pakistan face a mobility issue. They feel it difficult to move freely or to travel to meet the clients. So in this way, e-commerce can help them because through online businesses and e-commerce, women can do business by their homes. Question number 5. How does the success of women entrepreneurs serve as a catalyst for future generations to pursue their ambitions? How young generations are inspired by these women entrepreneurs? And answer is successful women entrepreneurs inspire younger generations by breaking stereotypes and showing that women can achieve their goals. Stereotypes means old methodologies or thinking. Okay. Question number 6. What impact does women's entrepreneurship have on community development, and how can it be leveraged to address local issues such as education and healthcare? Answer of question number 6 is women entrepreneurs start businesses that solve local issues like opening schools or healthcare centers which improve the quality of life in their communities. Question number 7. How do financial barriers such as limited access to loans affect women entrepreneurs, and what can be done to provide more equitable financial opportunities? So answer number 7 is limited loans hinder women from starting businesses. Microfinance and training programs can help them assess financial resources. Obviously, when you have to start some business or some venture, you need investment. And to get the investment or the amount, women also need to take loans. Okay, so microfinance companies or institutions, they can provide such investment to the women. Question number 8. In what ways does the participation of women in entrepreneurship challenge gender stereotypes and promote gender equality in society? How this thing can help in creating a more equal opportunity environment in Pakistan? So the answer will be women entrepreneurs challenge traditional roles promote equality and show that women are capable leaders and decision makers. Okay, so these were the question answers from unit number 5, that was women empowerment through entrepreneurship. So I hope you have learned them. If you have any difficulty or if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, and in my next video I will do or solve the remaining exercise of this unit. Hopefully my videos are doing help, and if you like my effort, then do like my video and share my channel. Okay, see you in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.